Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Red Panda Context 2 reverb pedal and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now there's two main reasons you would want to do this. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're just having any issues where the pedal is glitching or making weird sounds or not, listening to the configurations you've put on it or the settings you've put on it, a hard reset can fix a lot of these issues. The second reason is if you're buying a used one or selling this one, or for just whatever reason you just want to kind of like clear everything out and have it back to the way it was when it came out of the box, we can go ahead and do that quite easily. All you need to do on this pedal is you're going to first of all unplug it. And then once you unplug it, you're going to come on this dial here and you're going to turn the dial up to the room setting. Then once it's at the room setting, we're going to come down here on this pedal button here. We're going to push and hold it. And we are going to restore power to it, to the device. Now, when the light will come on, it will turn white. We're going to come, and then we're going to turn this dial all the way down to the grain dial. Once we do that, it will initiate a reset, and it will start to cycle through a whole bunch of different lights. Allow it to complete its reset, and then you can set it up as a new device.